Welcome to Cleantie video tutorial number 4, Invoice Utility Function. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of Cleantie Invoice Utility function. The Invoice Utility is used to update, void, restock, or refund an invoice. You may use Invoice Utility to search for orders or items by date, status, tag number, customer name, conveyor location, service, or item description. Invoice Utility is also used to reprint invoice or tag, reprint coupon, print tracking tag, print bag tag, resend orders to auto-assembly conveyor, or email an invoice. Invoice Utility can be used to make customer account payment, view transaction history, or look up the location of the order. To get started, select Utility option from the main menu. Enter customer's name or scan or type customer's invoice number or order number to find the desired invoice. All invoices for the customer that match the search criteria will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. In the following section, I will explain in details the function of each option within the Invoice Utility. Change Status function. Use Change Status function to void an invoice, restock or refund a paid invoice. Highlight the invoice and select Change Status icon. When invoice is voided, the status is changed to void. If invoice is already paid, tender screen pops up. Select the refund payment method, enter amount, and press OK. If the customer is being refunded by credit card and you are equipped with online credit card processing, simply swipe the card and press OK. Please note, depending on your job class and system settings, you may not be able to perform this function. See Management section for additional information on how to enable or disable this function. When invoice is checked out by mistake, use Restock option to put the order back into stock. To do this function, you must have management access. Account Payment feature. Use this function to apply payment to the charged customer's account or make payment on an invoice. To apply payment to charged customer's account, highlight the invoice or select Unpaid Invoices or select all options from the top of the screen. Then select Account Payment icon. Payment screen pops up. Select the payment type to make the payment. If the customer has a credit card on file, COF, the system will charge the card automatically. If payment is more than the actual balance, the system will issue a credit note. For additional information, please view our payment processing video. Please note, if the amount received is less than the total due balance, the system will automatically apply payments to the oldest invoices until last invoice. Last invoice could be partially paid. Location function. Use location icon to view the location of the orders on the rack or conveyor. Please note, if location is viewed by staff, it will be recorded into transaction list for audit purposes. Use the print option to print the conveyor. Print function. Use print icon to reprint an invoice, reprint credit card receipt, reprint bag tag, email invoice, tracking tag, or reprint coupon. Simply highlight the invoice and select Print button. To reprint tag for desired item within an invoice, first select the invoice, then highlight the item from Invoice screen on the left-hand side. To reprint all the tags, just highlight the invoice and select Print tag. Update function. Use update icon to detail a quick ticket, or if you like to make changes to an invoice. For example, to add a new item, change prices, or apply discount. Make changes as you wish, then press done. Transaction list function. Press Trans List button to view the list of all transactions for selected invoice. Transaction list shows every transaction that was performed on the invoice. For example, invoice update, lookup invoice location, checkout, payment, productivity, and production. The transaction list is very important for audit purposes. Filter function. Filter function is very powerful and useful tool to filter your search to find invoices. Select All Customers option to apply filter to all customers. Unmark the option if search is limited to the current customer. You can refine the contents of this list by using the interactive filter controls. You can apply filter based on the service type, price list schedule, or delivery run number. You may search invoices by item description, conveyor location, invoice status, dates, or total value range. Search by payment status, select Payment Status filter and checkmark the option. When search matches the search criteria, a list of all the invoices are shown on the screen. Simply select the invoice to view the details. Sort function. Use the sort function to sort the invoices on the screen based on the selected sort option. For example, sort by invoice number, checked in date, due date, invoice status, or invoice total. Search by service type. Select Service filter and checkmark the option. When search matches the search criteria, a list of all the invoices are shown on the screen. Simply select the invoice to view the details. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our other videos.